Welcome, students. This topic is for the class 4th, and today we are going to start our next chapter, that is the 9th chapter, Animals and Their Young Ones. Students, in this chapter we will see how do animals reproduce. But before moving to them, we have to see what is reproduction. Students, reproduction is the process by which animals give rise to their young ones or babies. Reproduction is the process by which animals give birth or they give rise to their babies. Students, there are animals that give birth to their babies. This is one set of animals, and the next set is that lay eggs. So in this chapter we will see the animals that give birth to their babies and also the animals that reproduce by laying eggs. First of all, students, look at your book, page number 74, that here are the animal babies with their parents. Look and answer the questions as follows. Number first, here is a hen with her two babies that are called as chicks. So, students, how does hen reproduce? Does it lay eggs or it give birth directly to these chicks? The answer is the hen lays eggs. There is cow with its kid, which is called as calf. So students, this cow gives directly birth to its young one. So this is another kind of animal. Similarly, there are another sets of animals. Look on your books. Now we are being asked the question number 1. Do the young ones resemble their parents? What do you think, students? Do they resemble? The answer is yes, like the babies of the animals resemble their parents. And number 2 is, are the young ones of the animals of the same size as their parents? The answer is no. The babies are smaller in size, as you can see, while as the parents are larger. Moving on, students, we will now describe the different animals that reproduce in different ways, and we read that the two important categories. Number 1, the animals that give birth directly to their young ones, and number 2, that lay eggs. Students, in the first category, the animals that give birth to their babies develop inside the mother's body. For example, cat, cow or horse, and humans also come in the first category, that they give rise directly to their babies and the baby develops inside the mother's body. In the second one, that is animals laying eggs, students, the baby develops inside the egg. For example, you know the hen, which is a domestic animal and present at our houses. We know the hen develops its babies after hatching the egg. Or the example of egg-laying bird animal is sparrow or snake. Snake also lays eggs and hatches its babies from the eggs. Thus students, there are two categories of animals. Number one, that give birth to their babies directly, and number second, that lay eggs, and then the babies develop or come out from eggs. Now we will see what are the features of the animals that give birth to their babies. Students, the animals that give birth to their babies feed on the mother's milk, and such animals are called as mammals. Thus, mammals are the animals that give birth to their babies, and after giving them birth, their babies feed on the mother's milk. Students, mammals are having well-developed brains. For example, humans, dogs, cats, cows, etc. are the examples of mammals. That is, mammals give birth to their young ones, and their young ones feed on the female's milk. That's mother's milk. Students, another feature of mammals is the presence of body hair. That is, the hair is present on the bodies of mammals. Students, you know dolphins and whales that are present in water, they also are mammals, but they do not have hair. They are mammals. Why they are called as mammals? Because they give birth to their young ones, and also they feed their babies. Students, dolphins and whales are having lungs, due to which they breathe inside the water. They occasionally come on the surface of water to breathe in air. Students, like human parents look after their children, all the mammals look after their babies. So these were the features of mammals. Thank you.